Hi guys, what's up? My name is Shiwangi Vijaywargiya and you're watching me on Femina India's YouTube page, and I'm going to be sharing few hacks with you that is about how I use aloe vera in my skincare, hair care routines. Acne, uneven skin tone and blemishes on the skin can make it look dull. But don't worry, take a small bowl of aloe vera gel and gently pat it on your skin as shown. Use your fingers to apply the gel in an upward direction like this. Leave it on for 10 minutes and then rinse well. Puffy eyes and dark circles can make you look tired. Take a few drops of aloe vera gel on the tip of your ring finger and gently apply under your eyes like this. Leave this overnight. Aloe vera gel can even be a saving grace for dry and broken lips. Simply dab some on your lips like this. And slay the perfect pout. Dryness near the elbow? Aloe vera gel is a solution. Your eyebrows need some care too. Take a mascara brush. Dip it in the aloe vera gel, make sure it coats the brush, and groom your brows like I am. Do the same thing on the other side. Give your lashes a coat if you want longer lashes. Massaging your hair scalp to roots with aloe vera gel is highly beneficial. Cover as much area as possible. And lock the moisture by drying your hair in a bun. Once again, leave it overnight. This time, add a few drops of castor oil to the aloe vera gel. Mix it using your fingers. Coat your lashes with the mixture and leave it overnight. Doing this daily will give you fuller and longer looking lashes. Alright, so that was about how I use aloe vera gel in my skincare and hair care routine. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe Femina India.